When you master your vibration, you master your life. Have you ever noticed, if you have dogs or cats, how you can be in a sad mood and all of a sudden they kind of just know to come cuddle up to you or lick you all over your face and make you feel better, soothe you? They're responding to your vibration. Or how about if you're in a really bad mood and you're freaking out, or you're yelling, or you're having some kind of negative emotion? They'll kind of freeze up or start shaking or go into the corner. I've actually seen that happen. It's very sad. And they're responding to your vibration. So what are thoughts? Thoughts are vibration. To raise your vibration, good feeling thoughts raise your vibration. When you have a lower thought pattern, which creates negative emotion, you're having a lower vibration. The highest vibration we can have is love. That is the oneness. So if we can keep our alignment within ourselves in a good feeling place, where we always just choose the best feeling thought that we can have in each moment, we are really staying in alignment with our own vibration. Now, one of the biggest misinterpretations people have is that the conditions outside of ourselves are confirmation of our own self-mastery, of our own ability to co-create. And unfortunately, when these things that we think we want don't come through, we actually question our own ability to create. We question our own mastery. And what that does is it creates doubt and it gets us right off of our own alignment. Doubt is a low vibration thought. So instead, what I've learned in my years of testing this out and learning and really just going with the flow and doing things wrong and making mistakes, I've learned that self-mastery, mastering your vibration, means that no matter what's happening outside of you, you stay in alignment with you. So people might think you look a little bit crazy because this really bad thing just happened, or this disappointment, and you're still good. You're still kind of chilling. You're going with the flow. And they'll say, well, why? This just happened. You say, because I'm the master of my vibration. So what that means is these things outside of me, these conditions, don't have control over how I feel. And when we really master our emotions, how we feel, we really stay in alignment with everything that can be rather than what we see. So our conditions no longer master us. We master our own vibration. So what starts happening is, instead of I have to do this and have all this effort towards this one thing and do, and then nothing happens, what starts happening is you are just really focused on your emotion. You are focused on the fact of, I'm feeling good no matter what. I'm feeling good because I'm alive. I'm feeling good because I know that everything's happening for me and not to me. And then as we go, we see that we continue to flow. So an example is this thing outside of me. I really wanted this one thing to happen. It didn't happen. Most times what we do is we cut ourselves off from our good feeling emotion because that thing didn't happen. So guess what we do? We block ourselves from the bigger thing that was going to happen. So when you master your emotion, you see past what you are actually able to see. You use your inner eye. You see that, okay, that thing didn't happen, but I'm staying in alignment, and guess what happens? Very quickly, that bigger thing occurs. You know, a lot of times people say, oh, that thing didn't happen, it was a blessing in disguise. Well, it's a blessing, and it doesn't have to be in disguise. It's a blessing because this thing you thought you wanted, the universe is actually creating something bigger for you. But you've got to stay in alignment. You've got to stay true to yourself. So mastering our vibration is really honing in on that inner knowing and not letting our outside conditions sway us ever in any way. And when we do that, we stay in a higher vibration. We don't dip all the time like, oh, that happened, I'm off. Oh, that happened. No, we stay in alignment. We really nurture that alignment, and we know that everything flows from inside out. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel or share my video and head on over to my website to see which Skype workshops I have soon. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.